dim sum food. Rise and shine, young one. Today you'll be learning the skill of a lifetime.
Are you gonna teach me the deadly squirrel defense? The claw of the 12 odors, the unstoppable whirling grandmother attack!
Even better, you are going to learn how to cook.
What? Okay, what did I do wrong?
It is not a punishment, it is an honor. There are many rewards in knowing how to cook.
But I already know how to cook, Panda. Remember that sweet and sour pizza I made?
Bitch, don't you ever hang up on me!
Hurry along now. Duck is waiting.
Duck? I'm spending the whole day with Duck? She's so...
Are you fucking high? No, John, that's not fair! You ain't somebody with the car naked! Shh, if you be quiet, the
It's me phone.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Me Phone. Oh, my toilet water's getting in the pool. Hi, where you going, soapity soap?
Toilet, that's disgusting. Get out now and get me some wires.
Oh.
What do you guys think? Am I a good cook or what? You worked very hard, young skunk. When things got tough, you stuck with it like sticky rice. So are you gonna tell me what the secret ingredient is in those dumplings? Jellyfish eggs.
Congratulations, young one. You have mastered the art of dim sum food.
Could you not? You're hurting my ears. Will you stop? Are you done? Yes. Yeah, thanks for cutting my relaxing sleep short by scaring me half to death.
You know, Robin, if you're scared, remember that I'm here. Ah!
I can't forget you're here. You keep screaming.
Hey! You're making an impression. Now offer to help her. Chicks love that.
A bat credit card? They gave him a bat credit card? They had the balls to give one of the greatest superheroes of all time a bat credit card? No! No! Does not compute! Does not compute! It does not compute! I can't sign! I just get a little peeved when I see one of my childhood icons carrying a bat credit card, you bastards! I'll kill you! I'll kill you, all of you! All of you will die! You'll get the gas! Rape my childhood, will you? You'll all die! You will all die! Okay.
What are all them ass fuckbugs? Look at my asshole, you Mexican bitch. Like!
You dare lock me in the pantry so you can play on your computer?
show! Unleash the
Cocksucking Alright, Jimmy, the little child prodigy in the movie. Surely spending your entire life just playing video games can't get you any kind of fame. Oh my God!